Hi friends, today we will see about how the touch screens are work. Nowadays the touch phone has become an essential item. As we can see, the touch screen has arrived in all products in today's era, like laptops, ATM machines and etc. All the touch screens we are using are powered by capacitors. Capacitor is no big deal. We would break toys when we were kids, wouldn't we? Then an object is visible and that is the capacitor. This is what they transfer to the phone. Okay, if you want to know how this capacitor works, first we need to know what a charge is. Let's see a little bit about that. Chargers are present in all objects around us. There will be a positive charge and a negative charge. If we add two positive charges together, the two will fight and go out. But we add the positive charge and the negative charge, both will attract. The force between two charges is considered as electrostatic force. The field between the two is considered to be the electric field. It is the property of charge. Okay, now we see about how the capacitor work. Capacitor has two plates. There will be an insulator in the middle of the capacitor. Now connect both plates into the battery. The result is battery's positive sides plate is filled by positive charge and negative sides plate is filled by negative charge. So the positive charge attract negative charge, but the charge cannot flow as there is an insulator in between, but the electric field there will remain the same. Let's take a look at a scenario to make this clear. We take two magnets and insulator, fit insulator in middle of the two magnets. The result is the two magnets are not attract, but the two magnets force will happen in middle of the insulator. This method will be the same in capacitor. And now we cut off the battery's circuit. The capacitor's charges will remain the same. This is almost like a battery, because the capacitor is charged as it. Now we connect the both plates with wire. Charges are flow one plate to another plate, and the current will produce. Okay, now we see about how the touch screen work with the principle of capacitor. The phone's touch screens have two conductive sheets cover with glass plate. Insulation sheet is in the middle of the two conductive sheets. It's almost like a capacitor chapter. There will be one insulating sheet is in the middle of two conductive sheets. This method can also used in touch screens. In touch screens the upper sheet will have positive charge and the lower sheet will have negative charge and electric field in middle of the two sheets. As what happened in capacitor, our mobile phone always measuring the electric field. Our finger is the most important thing to use touch phones. Our fingers are always having positive and negative charge. Okay, now we take positive charge of our finger. If you touch the phone with your finger, that first sheet also having positive charge, so the middle of the two charges having repulsive force, so changes will happen in electric field of a touch phone. This will be change the process and communicate the all apps and systems. Like this method will the touch screen works, but the old model of touch screens are worked in another process. Old model touch screens are worked in the principle of resistive touch screen. Old model touch screens also having two conductive sheets and one insulating sheet in the middle of the two conductive sheets. We press the old model touch screen. The two conductive sheets will touch them, and the circuit will start. This circuit will give output for touch the screen. This method is also used in supermarkets, ATM machines and some electric devices, and this method is used for electric bikes and electric cars. Okay friends, this video is over. If you are really like this video, please subscribe.